What's up everybody and welcome to you on the MOONCHARTS channel. I hope that you are doing very well, and today we're going to update the Bitcoin chart. So we are going to see the two possible scenarios, bullish and bearish. We are going to see that, So I was previously with an ending that we're going to see after. I think more about the wave you can see now on the screen. And I'm going to talk about the trade we just filled, with the VIPs. It's just insane, But anyway, don't forget to smash this like button. This is really important for me and also for the YouTube algorithm. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and to join the Discord server. This is extremely important because I'm really active on it. So yeah, most of the time I post scenarios, extra waves, what I think about this coin on Discord before to record the video, So yeah, let's start with this. So what you can see on the screen, that will be for the bullish scenario. If we finish this ABC, this C wave under 38.2. This is really in our case, and we're gonna pay really attention to the wave to the downside incoming. I don't say that we're going to dump now, because for example this wave 5, I don't know if I have no, I don't have it. So I'm going to show you that, So let's just add this on this bottom, just right there, if I can. All right, I'm going to do that. Gonna be better like that. And the bottom, so the wave 3 reach it. There is the 200%. As you can see, this is not the common target for wave 3, but reach it this, Then the wave 4 will be here, and the wave 5 will be here. The most common target for a wave 5 is a 100%. I don't find any good waves, inside this wave 5. But yeah, after this, the next target is a 161.8, just right there, that we didn't touch it on this broker price. On other broker price, for example, like it was Bitfinex or Bitstamp. So I'm going to remove all of this like that. So if we do that from this broker price, you will see that we reached the 161.8. Alright, no, what the fuck is that? Alright, it was maybe on this one, so Bitfinex. So there is a lot of things on the chart. Yeah, as you can see, the 161.8, sorry, is this red square just right there. As you can see, we reached this on Bitfinex. So the difference between each broker price is a bit boring, because on some it's not touched. For example, on this one, as you can see, the 161.8 on Bybit is not touched. On Coinbase is not touched too, and on Bitfinex, it was Bitfinex. Yeah, it's touched, So that's a bit boring. But anyway, that's the game. Okay, so we're gonna say that the 161.8 is touched, okay? Because it's touched on some other broker price. So in that case, what we can expect here, we can still be in the lead and the ending, of this wave 5, if the wave 3 is on this top, then the wave 4, and then the wave 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 to touch this 161.8, or we can still go to the last possible target, guys, to the 53k, something like that. That will be the maximum wave 5 target, So this is possible, sorry, that we are still in this ending, but yeah, I don't really think so, So what we can expect now for the next waves. So in case we finish the bear scenario, in case we finish this, the C wave on the 38.2, this is in our case that we finish a C wave on the 38.2, but it's still possible. So we're gonna say that is possible. We're gonna start with a bullish scenario, okay? I will play with statistics, that's why I really think that we're going to do the C wave after. But we're gonna see also in case we finish at this. So the biggest, that will be a smaller wave of a bigger wave 1, okay? So that will be the top, almost there. Then the wave 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to see during this video which price we can reach just like there. So we're gonna say basic like that, basic. So let's move this on the top of the top here. Perfect. So that will be the smaller wave of a wave 1, and in that case we're gonna reach the 100k, not directly because we have to do a bigger wave 1 too, extra, if I remember good. But yeah, we're gonna see that. So what will be the target for this wave 2? So you have to know that inside the wave 2 you can find an ABC, a WXY, every possible pattern, correction pattern, a flat, so we can go 123% retracement on this, on a B wave, and then do the C wave to the wave 2 bottom target. The problem is, I'm going to show you after the bear scenario, you know, but in that case, we are bull, and we are going to the 100k, okay, so that will be the top, that will be the bottom just right there. In that case, the most possible percent we can reach is the 61.8 or the 50%. This is a most common. It have like 73% of chance to stop between these 2%. I mean, not the 66, but the 50 and the 61.8%. Okay, that will be the zone that you have to buy. I mean, you have to check smaller wave, but that will be the statistics, you know, that will bring us to this price. It's still possible that we retrace 90% retracement, 90%. That's why you have to check smaller waves. And I'm going to explain, I mean, after. I'm going to show you what price we can reach in case we just bounce, for example, the 61.8 most of the times we stop on this, you know. So we are going to do with most common goals, you know. So the most common goal for the wave 3 will do a reject on the previous all-time high, you know, it matched almost exactly with this, a reject. So after this, wave 4 and then wave 5, okay? So wave 4 will be if we stop here on the first wave 2 retracement on the 61.8, here it will be just a 38.2 retracement, okay? So like that, so it's almost well placed, perfectly placed here, and after this, the 100% target is the most common goal. So we will do a new all-time high, sorry, to the 71k. That will be a really insane. And after this, bigger wave 1, bigger wave 2 retracement, bigger wave 3, 4, 5, okay? So we're gonna see that. I mean, not now because it's too early, but if we do this, we're gonna see after which price we can reach, okay? But yeah, it gotta bring us directly, you know, to the 100k for sure. I mean, this is clearly, I mean, we are in the wave 3, so it's gonna be just insane, guys. So yeah, that will be, you know, for the bullish scenario here, in case we did the bottom just right there. But in case we didn't do the bottom just right there, okay? So where are the waves here? This is a bigger one. So in case we didn't finish at the B wave here, but here, this is also a bit the problem here, because we didn't get any good retracement on this B wave here. I mean, that will be the bottom just right there. That will be the top here. If I mean a B retracement in a zigzag ABC like that, ABC. Alright, I will have to move all the waves here to take the. No, I don't have to move all the waves anyway. Like that. So let's see here. In that case, the wave 2, of course, will not be finished here, and we will be in a big ABC, you know. In that case, we will be in a flat. Alright, so I'm going to move that a bit on the right. So in that case, we will do the B top here. The thing is, most common retracement, you know, for a wave, a zigzag wave on the B wave, is the 38.2 that we reach it perfectly here and reject it here, and the 61.8. It can maximum go to the 85.4 or 90% maximum. It cannot go higher, you know. We cannot touch the 100%. So that's a bit the problem here, you know. We didn't reach the 61.8. We are now going to the downside. It's not a dump at all. I don't say that we are dumping now, you know. You can still go a bit higher to finish this wave 5. But yeah, in the case we are now on the current price, you know, we reach it on this top, that will not be a good retracement. So that's why I don't really think about that now, you know. So of course it's still possible. But yeah, the 50% retracement is not a target at all for this, for a B wave. So anyway, we're gonna see that now which price we can reach and what will determine if we are in this or not. I mean, if we break this bottom, of course we are in this C wave. We cannot do a wave 1 and a wave 2. The wave 2 cannot break the wave 1 beginning, you know. So the thing is, inside this wave, this C wave, we have to get 5 waves, okay? But the problem is, if you remember of the other scenario, it's a wave 1 and a wave 2, then a wave 3. Inside the wave 2 you have 3 waves, and look at this, 1, 2, 3. If we are in a zigzag, we still have 5 waves inside, 3 waves and then 5 waves. So how do you want, I mean, we cannot go on a zigzag more than 161.8, for example. If we go lower, this is clearly that we are in an impulsive Elliott wave to the downside, you know. We cannot break in an ABCWXY to 161.8 on the last wave, you know. That's gonna be decisive, guys. This wave to the downside gonna be really, really decisive here. If we go to 100k now directly, I mean directly, you know, there is all of the smaller waves, of course, or if we before go to lower price, and that's what we are going to see now with the current top. Sorry, we reach it here. Which price we can reach on this C wave if we are in this zigzag, if we didn't finish it on this bottom here. So the top will be just right there. The first target would just bring us to the low of the range, you know, just right there. Okay, so that will be the first target for the C wave. The other one will be the 100k, the 100%, sorry, that will bring us to 17k, you know, and after this the 123, and the last one is not, I mean, this one is really, really low, 10k is really low, you know, but anyway, everything is possible, so I prefer to show this, you know, these possible targets if we are in the bearish on short term, precise scenario, you know. So yeah, it's gonna be really, really, really decisive, guys. Yeah, this wave to the downside gonna be really decisive. I mean, I would like, you know, to go lower here to buy some bitcoins, but the bullish scenario is also a good scenario, you know. So yeah, we're gonna see what we do. It's gonna be decisive, as I said, like that here. But anyway, I'm gonna move it like that on the right, and change this B here for now, and move this C on the bottom here. But yeah, the problem is the 38.2 we reach it on this C wave here. This is really, really in a rare case. This is not really common to finish a wave like that, you know. On the 38.2, but anyway, if we did that, we did that, you know. I'm not the market maker, and yeah, I'm just playing with statistics, you know. So yeah, the short we fill it with VIPs is just insane, because we just fill the short on this week here. I mean, this is just insane, you know. We on this week here, I mean, we got this range, you know, here. Now we are out, of course. Yeah, I'm currently learning, you know, MOONCHARTS, and this is really an insane tool for real. We just catch it. I mean, I told, you know, VIP to short from around here, you know, where we was on this wave. We just bounced it, I personally closed the short here and just filled another short on this top of the wick here. So guys, if you want just some really good trade like that, just join the Discord server, you know. If you want to, you can also subscribe to the VIP role on the Discord server, you know. You have a 5 days free trial, so you can cancel if you want, if you're not satisfied, you know, by this VIP role. But you guys, feel free to join the Discord server. And yeah guys, that's all for today. I hope you really enjoyed this video. So yeah, don't forget to smash this like button, as I said at the beginning of the video. This is really, really, really important for me and also for the YouTube algorithm. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to join the Discord server. And you guys, stay safe and see you next time.